Hello guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mirza and I am a software engineer, also a trader. My background in engineering taught me one thing: everything has a pattern, a logic, and a structure. Most traders try to predict the market, but the truth is, the market is not meant to be predicted, it's meant to be understood. That's exactly how I approach trading. No random signals, no messy indicators, just clean charts, data, and the real price movements. In this channel, you will find real chart breakdowns, live trade proofs, and tested price action setups that actually works and makes sense. If you want to trade with logic, confidence, and clarity, you are in the right place. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's start learning how to read the market like an engineer. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.